Daring television takes us places. It dares to take us there, in our minds. It dares us to go off the map, to the places we didn't know we didn't know. It dares us to jump in, buckle up, and floor it. It dares us to turn things over, just to see what's underneath. It dares us to know. It dares us to go. Daring television takes us places. Are you ready? The National Geographic Channel. Dare to explore.
Want to know more? Dare to explore. National Geographic's the place to start when you depart. Cannonball! Dive into Nat Geo animal videos. Not like in the zoo. See them free and wild. Really wild. Flip through Nat Geo Kids magazine. Get zapped by the stories behind the stories. Unknown facts about hot new phenomena and new cool technology. Talk about cool. Explorer magazine at school. Launch into space with Nat Geo books. The only limitation, your imagination. Look out for National Geographic TV. Soon to be rockin', sockin', and tingling your eyeballs. Or hey, be there for real at the Geographic Bee or join Geography Action. Venture on to your own adventure with incredible new toys from National Geographic and Target. Remote control subs, metal detectors. Nothing boring, go get exploring. Whoa! Who knew there's so much National Geographic stuff out there? Not me, until now. And there's lots more yet. Check the internet. So flip, read, click, soar. Dare to explore!